Yeah, we're saying I want to reduce this one to like maybe, let's say 60. I think we want to make this one green or something. I think this is what we want to do. Let's save it. Right? Then share. Sharing, is it? Where is this? I don't even see my. Okay. Ah, it's because of that zooming that I'm doing for you. So let me reduce this thing. So I cannot see my screen. Okay. So if I refresh, yep, it's still very long. So let's make it let's say 40. Let's say 234, 204 pixel. Changing the image sizes. Very good. It's making senses, right? So
Yes.
see, a lot of people are not here anymore, but okay.
Not yet.
Yeah. So, but we've not do anything on the grid to put them in one grid. So back to our stuff. This is our grid, picture group. Picture group is a class name, that's nesting. Picture group. No time. So we want it left, float. We are using float now. Any text on it to be center. Width of the total for 25%. As if you divide 100 by 4, then padding 10. The height of it is 360. Then this border with this. Want to check? Yep. So the one that is outside the league is our, the one that is outside the league is our, what's it called? Our
Paragraph.
paragraph, and the font for this one is too much for the name. So we'll have to reduce it so that it will fit in. The same way this guy is the only one that fit in properly. So that is a lot of work to do. So I'll do this one. Then I will ask you to do this one. Then we can close. Don't say that it will be too tough for you. Before you know, teacher always do the one that is easier. Unfortunately, I'm the teacher here. Okay. So where is the title? All right, the title, I'm going to reduce my font to 26. And I'm going to make it a test align. I'm going to make it center. And it should fit in. Save. So, okay, Sin and those guys, you have to prepare to answer. All right, I'm done my part. Who else? Who is leading for the group? Paragraph have to fit in. You know, you can decide to even remove the background and make this one black. Hello, hello. People channel.
Yeah, there was a lady answering. Now let her take the lead today.
Okay.
Yay.
Thank you. That would be Bless or Hiba. Who? Who is that one? Okay, like
I'm around, though, but I am around, but I.
Okay, go ahead. This is it. This one. Okay, Sin, did you see that it's taking the shape of that one, the assignment?
Yes. This was actually the part I was waiting for, because as of all those other HTML part, I knew what to do.
Okay.
Yes.
Please, if there is anybody close to you, you can show the person, so that, please, because I cannot be a teacher for everybody. Like, maybe sometimes it's when students explain to you that you understand better. So share your knowledge, please. It's not where we take first. It's for us to be there for each other, for one another. Yes, go ahead, please. My sister, go ahead. You have the amount of this.
I can't take the lead, sir.
You can't? What do you know what to do? What we have to do? Let's go back. Where is engineer Wayne? He's gone. All right. Who is? See, Constance is here now. Naomi is here. The ladies, please. Just look at it. That is $1 million we are about to share between the female and the males in the house. Let me show you what we want to do. You see, the same way that this ID name fit in and that the image object fit in, we want to fit in this paragraph that describes this image dog, this beautiful dog. And we want to remove this, our background, green. We want to convert this one to black, right? So let's go back to our code. By so doing, just when we say take the lead, we are not saying that tell us everything. That's not what we are saying. First of all, we want to make this one black. Black is, we are using hexadecimal now. This one is black. Okay. Font is okay, isn't it? This
Let's remove the background. Yes.
So we want to reduce this one.
I thought we increase the width.
Is it
what is the
reduce? I think we have to reduce. We have to make it, if the width of the content of the perimeter, if the width of the perimeter is 25%, then this width have to be less than that. So let's make it 20%. Let's go back to C. And you will see a very beautiful effect, even though it may not be perfect, but it should be able to fit in. If we refresh, yep. So that is too small, right? It's too small. So we have to increase it. We have to increase, just like this guy said. We have to increase and then checkmate the padding. Padding from the left here is okay, but from bottom is not okay. So let's go back. we increase it to 60, or we leave it default. What do you think? Okay, Sim, help the lady, please. Hello?
Okay, so sir, you said we should do what?
I am saying that since 20 is too small, should we remove the width to declare it, to leave it default?
Okay, before we probably try to readjust, right?
Yes, if we leave it default, then let's say we reduce this one to 10 and see. So let's, all right, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna go now and modify it. So that, okay, so we want to put text align to center. We want to reduce padding. It's too far away, to 6 pixels. And let's reduce this guy to 11. Yeah. So let's go check. If you don't like it, then you tell us whatever you like, then we can share. Let me, yep. Almost. So who knows what we can do to make it two lines that are going to make more sense. Let's say we want to
Is it justify or
no, I
got that?
want it two lines. So what would be the name? Because I taught you guys, if I want to do this thing to be two line, and it's not two paragraph, but I want the line to be two in equal, let's say from these two, what do we do?
Yes.
What do we,
I know. Is it to break?
exactly. Just
To
because
break.
it's exactly.
Oh,
Yeah, just so you go to your, you go in the, where is it, to, I think somewhere here, then you break it. I'm not even seeing it properly, but I think, yeah. Then you save it. If you share, you refresh. Looks beautiful, isn't it?
Yes.
So if you want the whole thing now to get smaller and smaller, you have to start reducing all of those guys. Let me see, 0. Yeah, this is the original size now, because I have to zoom for you to see. So that means the width of this thing is too much. The width of the div is too much. So we can reduce the width of the div, you know. And let's check for responsiveness. If you view this, if you try to view, and we put it to responsiveness here. This is responsiveness, if you can see. So it's not responsive enough. This is where, yeah. So it starts from 954 to 847. I think that would be iPhone what? That would be iPhone 12 Pro. No, it does not fit in. 14 Pro Max, nope. Samsung 8 SA Galaxy, nope. Okay, yeah, it's Surface Pro 7. HP Surface Pro 7. That is the only device we have achieved as far as responsiveness is concerned. So, okay. What else? With this now, what do you think we can do next? Hmm?
I think this
We,
is
we have
how
to,
this. Yes.
we have to give our class, we have to give our image class if you want, and call it picture one, something. Yeah, maybe you call it picture one. Yeah. You were saying something, sorry.
No, okay. I was thinking we've already achieved that one box. Now is a way of duplicating it into the 4 places.
Exactly.
And,
Into a grid.
yes, into a grid.
Yeah. So let's say we don't want to use this generic name tag img. We want to use this in case we want to deal with them separately in the box. So let's give it a class name, and we use that class ID. I mean class name rather. And then we put it here. So we actually don't need this.
Is there not supposed to be a dot before the class name?
Thank you very much. That's good observation there. Please, everybody should be paying attention. You see the way this guy is already in line. So we'll go back and see. Sorry, I have to view. Okay, very good. So as far as we are concerned, looks good. Looks good, right? They are not okay. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, we're here. It looks good.
Okay. So what do we do now?
The grid.
Okay. Our box sizing is there already, right? Hello?
Yes, we already have a size for this particular box in
I
the
mean
CSS.
box sizing is there already. Generic box sizing is there. Yeah.
Yes, I think that was what you started in that external CSS you were doing. That I think that was the first thing you started with.
Okay. So let's see. Okay. So box sizing is here already. The next thing now is to move. Is to move what we have written to the external files. So let's call this in picture image. So that to make more picture image. No, picture. Like let's say picture image. Maybe we'll use it for all. Let's update our CSS. Picture image. Let's take all these things from here. So let's link it. Sorry. that linking, I think some people they are, so it's sitting in the folder called CSS slash SXX. I think it's 101, but CSS again. Yeah. We'll save this. We'll go back and paste it here. This is the code that we have written. So, sorry, let me share, save. Then share. Want to make sure that everything is intact. So is it intact or something is missing?
It's missing.
Something is missing. What is that thing that is missing?
Okay.
Let me check what is missing. Sorry. Nothing missing, no. This thing is operating like Babala was inside. Okay. I don't know if I'm tired. I don't know. I don't even see what I've written again. Just a moment. Picture group, picture image. It's nothing missing. It's bullshit. Nothing is missing. Okay. Think it has to do with the responsiveness. Yes. Right? Has to do with the responsiveness. There's nothing missing. So yes, somebody was saying something about how to clone what, how to multiply it.
Yes, yes, yes. I was gonna say like how we can put it in a grid and make it in a grid form now.
Okay. So can take this one off. It will still work perfectly. Are you aware? This is what we took off.
Day2 size. Okay, okay. So does it mean that this box sizing now will give it a constraint of all the maybe your texting and everything?
The box size now, what it has added there, we call it flex. You know this elastic limit, like you know, the elasticity.
Yes, yes.
Exactly. So that one has ability to contain whatever you put inside this guy.
Yes, that's what I was trying to ask. Yeah.
So all
Okay.
you do now, you remove this thing and then you multiply. But I have added another div, external div. So that external div now is included here. Is in this. I make this one external div, then create small div for this guy now, right? So even if you remove these guys, they should work. Why you multiply? So
Okay, can we see the code for the external div that you added?
yes, now. Wait, let me. It's here. This is it. Picture body.
Okay. And you don't. I'm trying to find where you close the div.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
So it's to copy this guy now. There are many. So let's give this guy. Let's make this guy. Let's call him Rot. Let's give this guy. Let's call this one Siberian. Siberian Husky. Yeah, I like dog. So I'm very dangerous dog. Oh, 10 minutes more to go. Let's give this one English Pitbull. I'm feeling headache. All right. Do you see this?
Wow.
God, I'm feeling headache. Oh.
Sorry.
Not been feeling well, but I'm just managing. So why this thing is very, very long like this? It's because of that. You remember that width that I told you that we declare? Can you imagine the space between the border and the picture? I don't know whether you're seeing. Yeah.
Yes,
Exactly.
I can see.
So
Yes.
that is what resulted to that. Let me use the annotation to see the distance here is too much to this side, right? Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Distance is too much. That is why you can see that the 4 grids, see, imagine, it's too much. That is why the 4th one It's not very responsive. But I think we are achieving our goal, right?
Yeah, we're heading there.
So what do we do now? Okay, so you have to take over the class. One of you have to be a teacher now. Because of guys not feeling well now. Imagine driver, I'm driving to Sokoto and I'm feeling headache. Would you want me to drive you when we have more than one driver in the car?
Oh.
Somebody has to learn this driving very quick. If you are learning it very quick, so that we'll be happy. All right, so let's go back.
So please get well soon.
It's stress, not that I'm down. So, so what the issue now is not on our HTML. You guys know, ba? Hello?
Yes, it's on the CSS.
Yes, it's on the CSS. So you see what we have done successfully. We've reduced the code, we've minimized to the professional level. You know, we minimize the code, means we have reduced we have increased our speed on our site, and we have managed our space very well. That's the meaning. This could be like 200 to 300 line of codes that we've reduced to this level. And it is professional. I mean, this is master concept, actually. So what do you think we do? Yeah. Yes, question. You want to ask question? Yes, go ahead.
Sir,
yes, sir.
I think at this juncture, I'd like you to stop for now due to the headache that is disturbing you, so that you don't overstress yourself.
All right, sir.
Yeah. If anybody is having questions, they can ask.
For those in favor of me retiring this night, say yeah, and for those against, say nay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The chief whip. Oh, they are not. You don't want me to retire? I'm I'm tired.
We already attempt where you stop. We'll attempt the assignment with what you stop. But if you can just tell us,
put the code.
If you can just tell us one thing even before you go, just like how to break this remaining 4 now into the other 4 that will be down. The other grid. It was 8. It was the grid of 8.
Oh, this guy wants me to do all the assignment. It's also copy paste now. See. You see all the 4 now. I'll just go and save. Is it not what you are saying? Hello? Is he not seeing it? Hello? They are no more here. Hello?
But I'm not seeing.
You are not seeing? No, you are seeing now. Is this one that I shared? If you are not seeing, it could be on network. But is anybody seeing?
Right now, what we can see is your. I'm fine. Yeah, I can see.
That word is not equal. Are you sure? Can anybody see, please? The browser?
We can see. Yes, I can see.
Yeah, so why are they saying that? Why is everybody quiet? I just copy and paste. I did not do anything. See your code. I just copy. So let me show you on the code. If you copy it now, see. If I copy and paste now, I copied 4. Then I'm going to paste it now. Then I will save. Then toggle now back to our browser. If I refresh, you're going to see plenty, you see, additional 4.
I don't know what happened. The thing just disconnected.
Okay, could be your network. But I think, is there anybody that can see? Is it not a question that Okesin asked that we are answering? If I understand it very well. Could it be that my network is... Can anybody hear me? Hello? 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 Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, we can hear.
All right. So I think this is the question that he asked. Engineer Wen, you want to say something?
Yeah, but the screen is not sharing. It's just
Are you...
loading. I don't know that.
Wow. Is it sharing now?
Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is.
So if you copy paste, it will be like that, provided it fall within the div. So this is like the assignment, right? What I will do, I'll share the code with the program manager, and they will share with you guys. So if we reduce, I don't know if you can see, if you reduce this into just 2, now it's just 2 now. I quickly save, then go to the browser before the time goes, and then refresh. It's going to be 2. The box sizing handles the elasticity. Can you guys see? Oh, you
Yes.
see? Cannot see. So I reduce everything remaining 2 only.
Okay. The reason why it is when it gets to 4 and he wants to exit 4, it enters another line is because of that total 100% width, and then we already used 25% for each of the boxes, right?
Yes. Ordinarily, it's supposed to fit in, but I think there are other flaws of value that we gave that they are supposed to be lesser so that it will fit in properly. So that could be the reason. You have grid of the total grid is 12. So if you multiply 4, how many 12? How many 4 in 12?
3.
Yeah.
3.
Yeah, 3.
3. Yes.
So that means each of these things is taking 3, 3, 3.